In the previous video, we saw how writing an improper fraction as a mixed fraction gave us a better idea of the value of the number. Now let's see how we converted it to a mixed fraction. Consider the fraction 7/2. To convert it into a mixed fraction, we just have to divide 7 by 2. Once this division is performed, we will be able to write it like this. 2 times 3 is 6 and 7 minus 6 is 1. We get the quotient as 3 and the remainder as 1. That's all we had to do. Now see how simple it is. The quotient becomes the whole part. Let this 3 be placed here. This is the whole part. The remainder becomes the numerator of the fraction, so we place the 1 here. And the divisor becomes the denominator of the fractional part, so we take the 2 here. That's it. 7/2 can be written as 3 1/2. We can also call it 3.5. If someone tells you that they ate 3.5 donuts, it means that they ate 3 complete donuts and half of 1 donut. If you find this difficult, just remember that the remainder, which is down, goes up and the divisor comes down, and the quotient forms the whole part. Let's try converting 13/4 to a mixed fraction. We follow the same procedure. We divide 13/4. 4 times 3 is 12 and 13 minus 12 is 1. The quotient 3 will be the whole part. The remainder goes up and the divisor comes down. That's it. We wrote 13/4 as 3 1/4. Remember, 3 is the whole part and 1/4 is called the fractional part, a mix of 2 parts. Hence, it's called a mixed fraction. By looking at this mixed fraction, you can say that 13/4 equals a value which is slightly more than 3. We should notice something very important here. Look at the first example we saw. The denominator of the fractional part is the same as the denominator of the improper fraction. In the second example too, the denominators are same. And the same case with the third example. And yes, this will always be true. This concept will help us in converting mixed fractions to improper fractions.